Hospital is a Cincinnati hospital, of course, but it's expanding its footprint into northern Kentucky.
Today, the hospital announced an affiliation with the University of Kentucky's Markey Cancer Center. The partnership promises expanded treatment options and access to clinical trials not available for patients in northern Kentucky until today. Local 12's Joe Webb joins us from the newsroom with the story. Hi, Joe.
Well, Cammie, historically, northern Kentuckians have gone to St. Elizabeth and St. Luke for health care, and when those two hospitals merged several years ago, St. Elizabeth Healthcare remained the dominant local source for care. Today's announcement is just the latest proof that the Christ Hospital Health Network is serious about competing in northern Kentucky.
Christ Hospital called in the big guns for today's announcement, including UK basketball star Goose Gibbons. In short, the 125-year-old Cincinnati hospital is joining forces with UK's Cancer Center to provide treatment and care in northern Kentucky.
Our patients will now have access to a significant clinical cancer trials in our community and near their homes, as the Markey Cancer Center is the only designated National Cancer Institute in the state of Kentucky.
The two will operate out of Christ Hospital's Fort Wright facility that opened in the spring of 2012 in an old shopping center on Dixie Highway. Keating says patients will have access to the latest technology and for the first time, bone marrow transplants in northern Kentucky.
And our affiliation will create and provide new options and opportunities for patients and their families coping with cancer without the stress and inconvenience of traveling to other parts of the country.
Every speaker repeated the partnership would keep northern Kentucky patients in northern Kentucky. It was one of today's mantras. Christ Hospital has made it clear it wants to compete in northern Kentucky. The hospital recently bought most of the land cleared by the demolition of the Drawbridge Inn in Fort Mitchell. And Fort Mitchell's mayor said today the hospital hopes to build a 100,000 square foot health care facility there.
Now, Keating says Christ Hospital is still waiting on zoning and regulatory permission before moving forward on the old Drawbridge Hotel site. It isn't clear if the Cancer Center will stay in Fort Wright or move if the new facility is built. Cammie?
All right, Joe Webb, thank you. And you might have heard Mr. Keating say UK's Cancer Center is one of 68 facilities that receive funding from the National Cancer Institute, and it is the only one in the state of Kentucky.